Hi, I'm Jerome MacGillivray and I'd like to introduce you to Anthropoidal. Anthropoidal is a concept to bring humans and robots together using virtual reality, augmented reality and robotics engineering. Anthropoidal seeks to build and develop products and solutions for the market, and behind this to establish an integrated platform to capture the experiences of machines and operators and to generate value from those experiences. Ultimately, Anthropoidal is looking to answer the question, have you ever wished you could be in two places at the same time? This is teleexistence and teleoperation, the remote manipulation of robots that includes immersive feedback to allow the operator to see, hear and touch as if they were the robotic unit. This solution has multiple real-world applications. For example, defense, law enforcement and security, for disaster relief and remote operation in hostile environments, in virtual tourism and human leisure experiences, in telemedicine and remote surgical operations, and from that to telecommuting and remote working in manufacturing and civil engineering. The Anthropoidal project is about bringing together currently available technology and new concepts and combining those to create a system where robots and humans are interconnected, where robotic avatars can provide rich feedback to operators through vision, through audio and touch, and carry out automated tasks without continual supervision. Anthropoidal combines deployable technologies in new ways, including VR, vision through the eyes of the robotic unit, including the ability for extended vision, for example, thermal imaging and near-infrared sensors, motion tracking, sensors to detect the body position of the operator and synchronize operator and robotic unit to allow the unit to move, turn and adjust based on the actual position of the operator. We combine AI, autonomous decision-making and actions for robot units that are offline or inaccessible. For example, being able to return to base for recharge or to carry out some self-governing or self-automized actions. VR would be combined with AR, so augmented reality, which allows for the use of information overlays within the vision sensor data provided to the user, the operator, in real time. This might include alerts, threat assessments and detection, mapping and location information, and facial voice recognition. It also would include, the solution would also include haptics. Those are interactive components that both control the robot's unit, particularly fine measurement units, hand control, finger touch, but also provide feedback for the operator so that the operator can feel and touch what the robot unit is interacting with, as if they were holding those things in their hands. Robotic units. These would be potentially humanoid or close to humanoid in form, but in actual there are scenarios where we could be using this solution to meld a human operator to some object that is non-humanoid in design, for example, flying or swimming robots. The objectives of an investment in this technology and project are multifold. It's to establish a position as a market and technology leader in a field that has huge potential and huge growth. To leverage the experience and knowledge gained during development to establish patents and intellectual property in the virtual reality and robotics sectors. It's an opportunity to create a new unique brand identity that has value for future product development, including development products, services or platforms that other technology companies can use, create viable commercial products that can realize a profit and return on investment. We believe that the development of robotic avatars combining virtual reality, augmented reality and robotics is a breakthrough concept that has the potential to transform the way we work and live. Anthropoidal will allow for human-in-the-loop integration and the operation of human-operated machines alongside independent self-governing robots, creating an advanced level of cobotics and human-machine interaction. The potential uses of Anthropoidal include robotic tourism, able to provide a real-world sensory experience to human operators and allow them to travel to destinations that they would not be able to reach and experience themselves. Security robots capable of mixing human decision-making with enhanced information such as threat analysis, facial recognition, in hardened robotic units that reduces bodily risk to an absolute minimum. Disaster management robots able to travel to environments that are hostile to humans but operate directly by a human operator who can understand and react on the ground as if they were present at the scene. Anthropoidal will seek to accelerate the development of the technology and the solutions with the goal of achieving maximum exposure and a viable product as soon as possible, maximizing the return on investment and the commercial potential of these solutions. Investing in this technology and the R&D required to meet the challenges of developing the platforms and marketing solutions is about investing in the future. In a robotics industry witnessing 20% year-on-year growth and set to be worth upwards of $20 billion in 2020. Ultimately, I believe that the development of robotic avatars, combining virtual reality, augmented reality and robotics, is a breakthrough concept that has enormous potential to change the way we live and work.